one of the key topics that we have is still labor shortage, because we hear all these hotels that are opening their rooms, and recently Ibedo Star opened their hotel, and we already see as well that they're struggling with finding enough labor on the island. So we still have a huge problem with labor shortage and a very strict work permit policy, so that prevents extra people to come to the island to work. One of the complaints we hear a lot now these days from the business community that we're going to address to the government for sure is the bank cost, and then specifically, for example, that the bank is introducing the master debit card, which is 4 times more expensive than the current card that they have at the moment. And then, for example, we had a well-known supermarket coming to us, and they told us that their cost of the bank cost increased with 200,000 florins, and that has an effect, of course, as well on their prices. So we do see a big risk in that, because in the end it's their cost, but they will increase their prices, and then as the consumers we feel that. So that's again a natural inflation that we see coming up. Other things that we see, of course, is like the old-fashioned and rigid labor laws that we have. So that's a hot topic that we're working on already for some time with the government. So we had regularly meetings with the Minister of Labor. Other things is the red tape and bureaucracy on the island. Another topic that we want to focus on is supporting and coaching the small business entities in the island. We want to continue with asking the government, how is the e-government project going? I know before the government felt that they had an approval on the budget. Their next step was hiring a project manager. We want to know where that is. You see that a lot of pending projects were basically paused, and for this coming year we want to reconnect with the government and follow up on all the things that were basically pending and paused.